A full 40-question English quiz from B2 to C2. Stay till the end and prove your level. What does down at heel mean? Answer B, poor condition. What does get a word in edgeways mean? Answer C, speak. Which is a synonym of pliable? Answer A, flexible. Choose a synonym for amiable. Answer B, friendly. What is the antonym of bifurcate? Answer A, unite. Opposite of autocratic. Answer D, democratic. Choose the correct plural form of tuna. Answer A, tuna. What is the plural form of cargo? Answer D, cargoes. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C, annoyed by his behavior, she left early. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer A, not until later did they realize the mistake. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D, the house was so big that it could host many guests. Form the past simple of unfreeze. Answer B, unfroze. What is the past simple form of strew? Answer A, strewed. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer C, addition. Which spelling is correct? Answer C, pragmatic. Find the correct spelling. Answer B, rationally. Pick the opposite of blemish. Answer D, perfection. What is the opposite of autonomous? Answer C, dependent. Opposite of biasness? Answer A, fairness. Which is a synonym of pompous? Answer C, arrogant. Choose a synonym for perceive. Answer D, notice. What word is closest to apply? Answer C, use. What does the game is up mean? Answer B. Exposed. What does "see which way the wind blows" mean? Answer D. Check situation. What does "a storm in a teacup" mean? Answer B. Small issue. Form the past simple of strive. Answer A. Strove. Choose the correct past form of slay. Answer D. Slew. What is the past tense of prepay? Answer C. Prepaid. What is the past simple form of interweave? Answer D. Interwove. Choose the correct plural form of bunny. Answer B. Bunnies. What is the correct plural of academy? Answer C. Academies. Choose the correct plural form of hypothesis. Answer A. Hypotheses. What is the plural of bus? Answer C. Buses. Fill the gap. Answer D. Could you lend me your notes for the lecture? Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. The company showed remarkable growth over the last quarter. What word best completes the sentence? Answer D. She is as tall as her mother. Final stretch, only 4 questions left. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Analyze. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer B. Masculine. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Whenever. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer A. Rightly. How did you do? Comment your score and follow for more quizzes. What was the toughest?